Hey kids, welcome to another episode of Zoo Shenanigans. Today we're hanging out with some of the funniest animals in the zoo. Let's see what Leo, Tina, Benny and Ella are up to. Leo the lion is lounging under a shady tree, yawning like he's about to swallow the sun. Leo to himself. Another day, another nap, the life of a king. Just then, Benny the baboon swings in from a nearby branch, chattering and laughing. Benny, hey Leo, why are you always napping? You're missing all the fun. Leo, smirking. Fun? Have you tried napping? It's a roaring good time. Benny scratches his head, looking puzzled. Benny, I think I'll stick to swinging. Now let's move to Tina the tortoise's spot. She's munching on some yummy lettuce ever so slowly. Just then, Ella the elephant strolls over with her big swinging trunk. Ella, playfully, Tina, why do you eat so slowly? You're going to turn into a lettuce. Tina looks up, grinning. Tina, grinning. Better a lettuce than a snack for you, Ella. Ella laughs, her trunk swinging playfully. Ella, you're right, Tina, but let's race after you finish. Tina, chuckling. You're on, Ella, but don't be too fast. And that's it for today's Zoo Shenanigans. Who knew our zoo friends had such funny lives? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next.
Who is in Hare's house?
It's a sunny day, and Hare lies in the grass. Suddenly, her stomach makes a loud noise. Hare remembers the carrots in her kitchen. She's hungry. Hare runs back home, but when she gets to her door, she stops. What is that noise? Something is moving inside Hare's house. Is somebody there? Asks Hare. Stay where you are, says a loud voice. Hare is very surprised. Who is in her house? Then the voice speaks again. Hare, don't come in. If you come in, I'll eat you. Hares are my favorite food. Hare is very scared. The animal which is in her house wants to eat her. Hare runs to the forest where her clever friend Monkey lives. Monkey, please help me, says Hare. There's an animal in my house and it wants to eat me. Monkey looks interested. An animal? Let's go and see, Monkey says. They go back to Hare's house. Who's in there? Shouts Monkey. A voice answers. Monkey, don't come in. I'll eat you if you come in. Hares are my favorite food, but monkeys are also delicious. Monkey and Hare look at each other. They are both very scared. They run to the lake where their friend Elephant lives. There's an animal which eats hares and monkeys in Hare's house, they tell Elephant. We need your help. Don't worry, says Elephant. I'm coming. I'm the biggest, strongest, bravest animal in the world. Nobody can eat me. Elephant goes to Hare's door. I'm coming in, he shouts. Stop, says the animal inside. I'm hungry and I love to eat. You can't eat me, shouts Elephant. I'm the biggest, the strongest. Suddenly, Hare's door opens and a small mouse runs out. Elephant jumps high in the air. He's very scared, for as everybody knows, elephants are afraid of mice. Help! A mouse! A mouse! Cries Elephant, and he quickly runs away. Mouse looks at Hare and Monkey. I'm sorry, she says. Are you angry? Hare and Monkey start to laugh. No, we're not angry, they say. Elephant's face was so funny. They all laugh again. Then Hare goes inside to finally eat her carrots.
Yawning. Another day, another nap. Hey Leo, why are you always napping? You're missing all the fun.
Smirking fun? Have you tried napping? It's a roaring good time.
Tina, why do you eat so slowly? You're going to turn into a lettuce.
Grinning. Better a lettuce than a snack for you, Ella.
Laughing, oh Tina, you always have the best comebacks.
To himself. Another day, another nap. The life of a king.
Hey Leo, why are you always napping? You're missing all the fun.
Smirking fun? Have you tried napping? It's a roaring good time.
Munching slowly. This lettuce is delicious.
Playfully, Tina, why do you eat so slowly? You're going to turn into a lettuce.
Grinning. Better a lettuce than a snack for you, Ella.
Laughing, oh Tina, you always have the best comebacks.
Why can't I get this right? I'm supposed to be the funny one.
Maybe you should stick to swinging, Benny. You're not exactly the banana whisperer.
Keep it down. Some of us are trying to have a quiet meal here.
But this is the best part. Come join us, Tina.
I might join, but only if you promise to keep your bananas away from me.
Ta-da! See, I can do it.
And the award for the best banana juggler goes to the ground.
At least you're consistent.